How to kiss a man, how to kiss a guy. There are 3 things you can do to make the encounter unique for him and have him obsessed with you and your kisses. Hello, this is B Galaxy. I want to brighten your day. It's no longer just about the kiss, it's about the full experience that the man has. So now I'm going to teach you how to construct the experience for the man. There are 3 options. If you haven't already, subscribe and click the tiny bell to get updates. Free secrets for kissing a man and making the encounter memorable, so I'll think about it. When you go on vacation, it's not only the vacation itself that excites you, it's also the journey that you get to take. You know it might be months away and you're still enthusiastic, much like after a vacation. When you return home, you get to tell your friends about it. You get to relive it and all the beautiful experiences you had, and kissing is the same. It's not just about the kiss, it's about what happens before, during, and after. So, while you're kissing, focus on the fantastic experience all around you, not just the kiss. We've watched a few more videos on how to kiss a man. There are genuine and excellent methods in there. How to make a man kiss you, how to kiss a man, I'll prepare them in the next video, but if you want to be an outstanding kisser, do it just like Jameer says, like it's the full before, through, and after the kiss experience that the man gets to go through. Yeah, and one of the greatest ways to accomplish so is to start building him up long before you kiss him. So a fun way to do this is through texts, and texting allows you to create ample excitement or really powerful excitement by saying things like, "Hey, I love the way you kiss me, I can't wait for your kisses tonight, I can't stop thinking about your kisses," all of these little things that you can do, or even just as you say goodbye. Isn't it true that I can't wait to kiss you again before you leave? There are several options available to you. They may get the man as thrilled for the encounter as you would be for a vacation. The second factor is cleanliness. I cannot emphasize this more. Take care of your dental hygiene, which includes cleaning your teeth, having a mint or something similar, and staying hydrated. Drinking a couple of glasses of water to stay hydrated and cleaning your mouth. I don't care how excellent you think you are at kissing, if you have horrible breath, you have no pipe. Yeah. If you ignore hygiene, you could be a memorable kisser, but for all the wrong reasons. I can recall a few instances when this has occurred to me. Unfortunately, there is no desire in my heart to ever kiss that person again. It comes naturally. The third option is to tease. So, why did you receive a couple of days waiting before you went on vacation, precisely the same as a holiday? So I don't want to go now, when everything is at its pinnacle, and kissing is the same. Everything is heightened, fantastic, and exhilarating right before your lips. So why not give it a little more time and tease it out? There are many approaches you may take. Lip liner is the first. Lip glide means that when you're going to kiss, you don't completely push in but instead allow your lips to flow along each other. Beautiful, and it really makes you want to dive in and explore it deeper. So you'll be in charge of this one, so even if the man comes in to kiss you, it'll be up to you to do it. You just move your lips along. So I'm just doing things here, and as I move in to kiss her, she's still teasing. They resemble hanging. It's a little simpler to perform that one laying down, so it's easier when you're lying down because it comes more naturally. Again, it only adds to the experience. Number 2 is what we term hold the gap. So when you're going for a kiss but don't quite get it there, you hold it. Adds just a small bit of experience. It does not have to be extremely lengthy. It's just a handful of seconds, but it really brings out that sensation and provides for a great, well, come on, just give it a vacation. Give me a hit. You're at the airport on your way to Fiji and they're playing all these Fiji videos and you're like, I just want. The third point is the erroneous start. Basically, You move in for the kiss but pull back just a little bit so he can't really get in there, and the entire time he's a little sad, and then you're like, oh what, and the guy's gone. I just want to kiss her. It needs to be done slowly and carefully, and when it is done well, it generates this really like I just want this morning, I just want this more. It may become awkward if you do it too often, so don't overdo it and simply have fun with it. When you do that a couple of times, the female generally looks at you like, what the hell, and that's when you laugh and kiss him. It's all in good humor and adds to the experience. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and don't forget to share with your spouse. I used to like texting, sexting, and creating that experience. It just provides your companion with a delicious pleasure for the day. Do you, at the very least, have a way kissing tip that you've used? To properly contribute to the experience, we'd love to hear about it, and I'm sure other girls would as well, so fill out the form below, press the thumbs up button, and the big red subscribe button with the tiny bow so you receive all the alerts, and we'll see you in the next video very soon.